Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is highly requested by a lot of you guys, and I'm going to talk about how I scored my first Birkin 25 from the Hermes store. So I'll be covering my Hermes journey, how I scored the bag, and I'm going to include a short clip of my VIP room experience. So let's dive right into it. In my mind, Hermes has always been this mysterious, top-notch fashion house, which is so famous for its craftsmanship, and I believe it's almost impossible to score a Birkin or Kelly directly from the store if you don't have years of purchase history. So I never thought I would get a Birkin or a Kelly anytime soon. And if you watch my 2020 handbag wishlist video, you know I only had one item on my wish list, which is the mini Constance from Hermes. It is so cute, super versatile, and I think it just matches with my overall lifestyle. If you haven't watched my unboxing video of the Constance Mini, I'll link it on the top right. And please go check it out. So after scoring my Constance Mini, I completely fell in love with Hermes. I was so impressed by its craftsmanship, and I messaged my essay, I'd love to add a Birkin to my wish list. Since I was very happy with my Constance, I wasn't in a rush and I started to learn more about the brand. You know how much I love jewelries, so when I saw this fitness collection, I immediately messaged my essay and said I'd love to get a fitness necklace. And because this necklace is so sought after, I had to wait for a few months to get it shipped to my house. But I think it's so worth it after I receive it, and I will recommend it to anyone who's into jewelry or Hermes. The necklace comes with around 0.5 carats of diamonds, and I've also linked a screenshot from Hermes official website just for your reference. In the meantime, my amazing essay offered me this gorgeous malachite color Birkin 25 in the Togo leather. I was struggling so hard to make a decision because I was really hoping to get a Birkin in the with the gold hardware. Especially my holy grail color, malachite, I thought it goes the best with gold hardware. I had to confess, I kind of regret turning down the bag, especially after seeing all those amazing pictures people post with their malachite Birkin in the palladium hardware. Fortunately, my regret didn't last for too long, and my amazing essay invited me to this gift event because it was Thanksgiving, and she said she has something special for me. I still remember the excitement I had being in the VIP room for the first time, and my essay just brought out this orange box, and she peeled off the plastic covering and unboxed this little baby in front of me. It really was an unreal and magical experience. And when I first learned about Birkin, I remember I was watching Sex and the City, and Samantha said when a girl scored a Birkin, she knew she made it. So I was like really proud of myself that I can use my hard-earned money to pay for a bag that I have been dreaming for. It definitely is a very expensive bag, and I know there are so many unboxing videos or like shopping videos out there on the internet. What I want to say is luxury shouldn't be a burden to any of us. I added this Birkin 25 to my collection because I love its design, the craftsmanship, and it also brings me a sense of achievement. So that's my Hermes journey and how I score my Birkin 25 from the store. Thanks for listening to my rambling. I would say everyone's Hermes experience is quite different, but I wish you all secure your dream bag very, very soon. If you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want me to make more videos such as what other things I recommend from Hermes, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!